All right, hey YouTube, Cruising the Land here, Jamie. Land Cruisers, head gaskets, let's talk about it. It's a matter of time. You have a Land Cruiser, you are going to need to address your head gasket. So, when they build these trucks, right, that's one of the Achilles heels is the head gasket. And when you do the head gasket, you're gonna do your valve cover gasket, but this is something that nobody really talks about what you should do. So first of all, like me, I bought a Land Cruiser. I just immediately at 170,000 miles on Otis, I got the head gasket done. Why? I was scared. You know, I've read all the forums like, don't blow your engine. But you got a little gauge inside your car. When you overheat, it's telling you you're overheating. So pay attention. If you overheat, pull over immediately, open the hood, cool it down, call a tow truck. I don't care where you're at, call a tow truck and then get it in for service. But here we have an opportunity to look at two engines that we have out. So you're looking here at the top down. This is your valve cover gasket. So when you do the head gasket, you're going to do this at the same time. Underneath is your head gasket, which here is another one we're looking at. That is the underneath, right? That is your head gasket. That's what's going to fail. So what they don't tell you, why is it failing? You want to know one of the main reasons? So this is the firewall, and that's the front of your vehicle. Your EGR, when you start in the morning, you know when your revs go higher because it's trying to heat up the engine. So you have two tubes that come from here. One goes through the engine right here. You know what this is? This is position 6. That's 6, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? It's an inline 6. This is where your valve cover fails because the heat is going through here constantly when you're doing your warm-up, running through the vehicle. So what can you do? You can do a delete. You no longer have fluids that are hot running through here, heating up this whole cast block. And obviously underneath, this is where the head gasket is. This is where the failure is because this is literally inches, 1 inch away from this heat going through constantly. That is where it fails. So at the bottom here, or as you can see on the edge, that is where it fails. So let's take a closer look. Here's your engine you'll be familiar with. This is your EGR valve. So this is telling it to, with the vacuum, open up, let the heat through, because we're trying to heat up the engine, early morning, cold start. But you don't need it. You don't need to have that. So you can delete this. You leave it, so smog check, if you're in New York or California, they see that you have your EGR, but you technically see the two tubes? So one runs behind the engine. That's the one you want to be running. The one that runs through the engine, delete it. Delete that mofo. So the owner of this shop, Tommy, and if you want a referral, if you're in Southern California or elsewhere and you want to tow your vehicle here, it's worth it. When he does this job, he'll delete it. He's done it to his own years ago. He's got 400,000 miles on his Land Cruiser, and he's never had to do the head gasket because he got rid of the culprit that 95, 99% of the time is why your head gasket fails. So watch your temps. Whenever you overheat, this is your chance to finally get this fixed. Maybe do your pesky heater hose at the same time, but that has nothing to do with your head gasket. And you do the delete. That will solve your future problem. So when you do a head gasket at, I don't know, 150, 200, 250,000 miles, it's time, do the delete. Most shops will not know that or not do that because they want you to blow your engine so you can go spend, I don't know, thousands and thousands of dollars with them. When Tommy does this, he's going to change all your hoses, like just fix everything, you know, head gasket, valve cover gasket, which is on top, head gasket, which is on the bottom, and then do the delete. You're looking at about $3K. So shop around. Shops aren't doing that delete. I know when I did my head gasket and all my work, I paid $3,500 and I didn't get the delete done, damn it. But anyhow, you learn every day. I've been around Land Cruisers forever and you learn something every day. So if you're interested, you're in Southern Cal, you can hit me up, cruisingtheland@gmail.com, and I will put you in direct contact with Tommy, let him know what you're doing, so you can do your repair effectively and properly. But yeah, that's the trick. That's the thing that you can delete. You do not need this. You do not need this. This can be totally deleted and taken out of the equation. All right, Cruising the Land here. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, problem solved, peace of mind. Delete that hose going through the back of your engine. No more blown head gaskets. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.